You know, there's a scripture mo Bibeleng, two women who were living in the same house. They were pregnant same time, but only one abeba before the other. He gave birth before the other. After a few days, another woman gave birth. One night, while they were still sleeping, only one ngwana gagwe a tlhokafala. Itse sampana tlhokafetse, ke a bona gore a tsoga sa tlhogo a sheba the next woman, a bona gore that woman o robetse. A tsaya ngwana ono o phelang, a mo tlisa ka mo yene, a tsawa gagwe shuleng, a mo isa ko ole. Itse ba tsoga, o tšhentšhileng bana a nyantsha ona o phelang. Ole itse a tsoga ha bona ngwana a tlhokafetse mo pele ga gagwe. And the scripture says, a sheba ngwana ole closely, a mo shebisisa, a bona gore this one, it's not my child. Now the moral of the story is that God can bless us same time, but that blessing, it will never manifest ka nako e one. Number two, there are people in this world that ba robetse mo dim ga di goals tsa bona, ba robetse ko dim ga di visions tsa bona. They ruin their purpose, they ruin their lives. Now they are here to steal someone's vision, they are here to steal someone's goal. Now as you are sleeping, you need to be careful. You need to sleep kalitole one, so that when this person comes, askatla atsaya your purpose, askatla atsaya your vision. I want to say to you today, many people baba tsetsi di goals tsa bona, they are starting to realize today that this was not my goal, this was not my vision. My vision, it was that thing. But I want to say to you, it's never too late. Ukathola go ba o tsetse the goal, the vision. But what I know is that whatever belongs to you, it will come back to you. Just pray hard and ask God to restore whatever that was stolen.